Hi there, I'm Musa, and this is Musa Analytics. You're once again welcome to uh, the beginner series, getting started with Microsoft Excel. In our previous video, in the previous video, we talked about uh, the basic introduction of Microsoft Excel. So, in this video, we're going to look into entering and formatting of data. So before we move further, what is data in the first place? So data refers to facts and figures. Data refers to facts, figures, and statistics collected together for reference or analysis. It can be in a raw or processed. It can be in a raw form or a processed information, and is used as the foundation for making decisions. So we have different types of data. We have the quantitative and the qualitative data. The qualitative data are mostly non-numerical data. They are descriptive data. Call them categorical data, such as a name of a person, a name of a place, uh, just just any data that you can think of that is not measurable. We call it qualitative data. So quantitative data, whereas quantitative data is a numerical data, is measurable, such as age, a temperature of a something, an income of a person, and the likes. So data can also be in a different forms. Data can be in a form of a text, it can be in a form of a number, it can be in a form of a date, it can also be in a form of either video, images, or an audio file, right? So why is data important? We use data for making decisions, not only decisions, but for making informed decisions. We use data for uh, research, we use data for analysis, and even for making predictions. So let's get back to Excel. There's a popular saying by David Brown that if it is not in a cell in Excel, it is not Excel, it's just a tool working with Excel. So today we are going to talk about entering and formatting of data. So let's enter a text, a number, and a date and see how Excel behaves. Let's say Musa, click on enter. Let's say 50,000, you click on enter, and date, what's today's date, click on enter. If you notice, when we typed in Musa, which is text, Excel automatically aligns it to the left, while dates and this number now have been aligned to the right. That means Excel understand these two forms of data. It's either text or a number. It always understands either a text or a number, right? Good. So the next thing we're going to look into is formatting of cells, the basic formatting, such as the font style, size, and all of that. Let's say this is a name. Let's say students. And let's see students. Let's say subject. let's say schools. Let's say the name of the first student is Musa, the name of the second is Star, the name of the third is Sally, the name of the fourth is Abdul, the name of the fifth is, let me see, David. The subject, see, it's maths. So let me quickly show you something. Let me quickly show you some basic formatting in Excel. So let's say you want to make these titles to stand out. So what you need to do is to highlight it, come to this home tab. Under the home tab, under the home the font group, you see bold, then you bold it. You can go ahead and change the background color maybe to light blue. Light blue is fine, right? So the subject, let's say our subject is, let's say, maths. You can go ahead, let's say, and italize this, right? This is scores. This is 80, this is 70, this is 90, this is 60, this is 50, right? So we're just going to look into basic formatting in Excel. The font, if you want to increase these fonts, you can highlight it. Come here, you can increase the font size, right? You can decrease the font size here, right? And the next thing is let's check text alignment. So you can highlight this, you can align this to the left. It's already on the left. You can align it to the middle, this name of the student, and you can align it to the left. But by default, Excel align text to the left. So let's leave it on the left, right? And this header, you can align it to the top, you can align it to the bottom, and you can align it to the middle, right? That's some of the things you can do. Let's quickly move to number formatting, right? Number formatting. So let's say these are price. Let's say these are price of goods. Price of goods that are bought. Let's say this is 50,000. This is 100,000. This is 90,000. Right? So if you want to, let's do 1,000 separator by Control Shift. Right? So let's format this to our local currency. Let's format it to Nigerian currency. How do you do that? You come to under the home tab, under the number group. You can click on this drop down arrow. Here you can click on this currency. Under the symbol is already on Naira. If it's not, just look for it here. Click on this drop down arrow, then you check for it here. But it's already in Naira. Click just OK. So it's going to format this and this price what in Naira. So you can also come here under the home tab, under the number tab. You can either increase or decrease the decimal. You can either increase or decrease the decimal, right? So you can also format how you want your date to appear. Let's say, for instance, Hmm? Today's date is 28th May 2025, right? If you look at the formula bar here, you can see that yes, what you can see the content of this cell 28 May 2025. So you can format this date to appear the way you want it. In this case, it started with what? The day, month, and the year. So you can switch it around. Right? You can come to custom. If you come on, open the format cell under the number, you come to custom. You can change yours to be what? You can change yours to be month, year, and day. Right? Then use the hyphen. Click on OK. You see, yours is month, day, and year. Right? No, month, year, and day. That's May 2025, 28. You can still, but inside the formula bar is what is still 28 May 2025. But this is what it appears. That's based on your own formatting. But Excel understand it this way, but this is how you format it, how people will view it, right? So that's date formatting. You can format it the way you want it to be. So let's talk about autofill and clear format. So in a situation whereby you wanted to clear all your formatting, you can just highlight it. You can just highlight it under the home tab. We come to this, the clear. Click on this drop down, then you can clear all formats. So your numbers are going to return as they were before the formatting. The next thing we're going to talk about is drop down. We're going to talk about autofill. Autofill. Let's say okay, you type in 1, you type in 2, you type in 3. So this is like the autofills. What it helps you do is it helps you follow the existing pattern. So now for instance, if you highlight it and drag it, it's going to continue 3, 4. It's going to assume that okay, what you want the subsequent numbers to be just like the previous pattern. But in this case, let's say you put 1 and just drag it, it's going to fill 1, 1, 1. If you put 1, 2, 1, 2, and drag it. Now in this case, it's just following a trend. Instead of following a pattern, it's following a trend. So what you will do in this case is, while you're dragging it, you hold down your control button and you drag it down. So it's going to continue to follow the pattern of 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and that's so. With this, I think we've come to the end of today's video. We've come to the end of today's video. So that's how you enter and you format your data properly in Excel. That's the basics. So in the next video, we will cover basic formulas and functions. Please don't miss out. And don't forget to like and subscribe and drop a comment if you learned something new today. Thank you very much.